there a bird in there?
What is this? Peep, peep, that.
That's what you hear? Peep, peep.
Yeah.
Is there a bird in there?
Yeah.
This one. Is it going like this?
What? Fish in this egg.
There's a bird in that egg.
Thing. Big thing.
Ah.
Big thing. Wait. Wait. An egg.
Let's see if there's a bird in it. That's not a bird, Lily.
That's just a cracked egg, okay?
That's not a bird.
That's not half of a bird.
Can I eat
It's
it?
really a bird's head.
Can I eat it too? No, keep on inside. Sorry. Come on.